Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle, and this time we are decorating my Glam Christmas living room. I hope you enjoy.
we're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake.
So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is I recently picked up 2 of these beautiful Kmart bookshelves. Now guys, these have been so popular on Kmart's website. They were sold out initially, but I managed to grab 2 when they came back in stock. They also have a sideboard at a really affordable price. So off camera guys, my hubby put them together for me and we placed them either side of my fireplace. I also added these vanity lights. Now guys, about 6 months ago I was in Bunnings and they had a very big clearance on all these vanity lights, and I got them for just $20 each. Now I haven't had an electrician hardwire them yet guys, but I had my hubby place them in the spot where I wanted them. Now because I'm going for a very glam look, I collected my new baubles that I got from TK Maxx, as well as I got my lights. Now these are just flickering lights guys from Amazon that I always place on my tree.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard.
Now one of my absolute favourite Christmas trees guys are these glitter Christmas trees. I got a few years ago at TK Maxx. Now I've got 2 large ones and 2 medium ones, and I'm actually going to place them either side of my Christmas tree. So here is my tree when I first got it out of the bag guys. I've just added a couple of little baubles. I like to sort of play around with my tree and get a vision for it before I start, and this is just at the beginning. Now guys, when I was thinking about how I was going to decorate my tree this year, my love for these pretty bows that I recently picked up from Temu were my inspiration for the tree. Now I want to try and combine 3 different styles here. I'm definitely going for the candy cane look, as well as my love of blue and chinoiserie, as well as glam, and I think I nailed it.
Cold winter night when lights are low, the treetops are covered up in snow, and I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas.
Now I really played around with my tree this year. I also have the pretty pink bows to match the blue ones, and I have these candy cane lollipops that I recently picked up from my local dollar store.
But it's you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. I'm missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then.
Now at the bottom of my tree, I decided to bring out my little Chanel bags. Now guys, these are usually in my beauty room, but I decided to add a really glamorous touch by bringing them out and adding some tissue paper.
The silence on every empty street, when families are gathering to eat, then I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again.
guys, I had this really pretty chinoiserie bowl that I picked up from Early Settler Furniture. Now, I was originally going to make a flower arrangement, but I actually found a flower arrangement I already had made, and it fit perfectly inside this bowl. So that's what I went with.
And our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again.
So now it's time to decorate the shelves, and I have this pretty bowl that I just filled with some Glam baubles. Now you'll see here that not everything goes to plan when it comes to decorating, but I did manage to pick them up and put them back in the bowl.
Away that December day. If only I could turn back time. Baby, I love you. I miss you. Missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then, yeah. When we wished upon a star and our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again. Oh, it's Christmas time.
I then started on my fireplace mantle. On the top of the mantle is my garland that is lighted from Kmart. I then strung across the front this pom-pom garland that I got a few years ago from Pillow Talk. I then went in and added my pretty stockings. Now these stockings are boucle stockings, guys, that I picked up from TK Maxx this year. I've also added a pretty blue bow at either end, as well as these chinoiserie Amazon ornaments.
Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
Now, sticking with a glam touch, I also had these gold glitter bows from my local dollar store, and I decided to take those blue bows, guys, and place them in the front to layer my bows.
Yeah, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and
I then took my pretty pink ribbon, which is from TK Maxx this year. I love this ribbon, guys, because it's wide, and all I basically did here was just sort of bend it over, make a little bit of a loop pattern all the way along the garland.
supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da.
You can see here that I also layered the pink bows, and I really love the sparkly glam touch.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake
Now
up
on my couch, I wanted to add this pretty throw blanket that I recently got from TK Maxx. Now guys, it is so pretty and neutral with the Christmas trees, and I knew it'd go perfect on my chase. Now what I'm going to do here is also layer it, guys. I have this pretty fake fur throw blanket that I got from Bed Bath and Table this year, and I have the matching cushions, and what I'm just going to do is add this to the top of it to give it a really pretty fullness.
oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
And guys, here is my living room all decorated for Christmas. I absolutely love how it came.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas
And here is my sweet little Shih Tzu, Bella Boo, who follows me around the home, guys, while I decorate. I love how she comes to inspect what I'm up to, and she is just so adorable. I love the combination of the neutral, the baby blue and baby pink on my couch, and I especially love, guys, this beautiful new reindeer cushion from TK Maxx. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed decorating with me my Glam Christmas living room. Now guys, I apologise for not getting a video out for you last week, but I've been away with my family, but I now have new videos coming soon, so I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chellesglamhome. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.